For this recipe, I'm joined by my little girl, Charlotte, and you're gonna help me make some tacos, aren't you?
Yes.
Yeah, all right. So the first thing we need to do, because we're gonna make a charred corn salsa. So first thing, we've got to char our corn, which is here. So we're gonna char that by putting it on top of here. So capsicum, tomato, red onion, some avocado, a little bit of chili, lemon juice, a little bit of olive oil, and that's it. And then this little fajita mix is what we're going to use as the dry rub to go on top of our skirt steak. There's our taco. So we've got skirt steak, which is cooked perfectly. We've got our beautiful salsa that Charlie made underneath. And we've got our nice pliable flour tortillas. We're ready to eat. Well done, darling. Good job. Best salsa maker ever.